this video we are going to see that all about basics of alter, how it works, what is alter, and how to execute the alter tab. Let's see. Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to see that how to alter the tab, how to add the columns. The simple word for alter is known as add. In a column we have to add. In a table, if we want to add something column new, then it is known as the alter tab. In this video we are going to see that how to alter the tab. Let's see. This is my database as name college, and I use the code as use college. For compulsory we have to use, and I have the table as student details, in which I have the columns of id, student names, and roll number. As I given the in primary null, and varchar there are integers and so on as I given, and I inserted the some data as students data into that table. Okay, here you can see at the left in the schemas our columns as id, student name, and roll number. For adding a new column, we have to write a code as alter table, and we have to give the table name as student details, and we have to write our new column which we have to add in that table, and we have to give the integer or varchar anything. Okay, I will show you. Okay, our code is ready, and we have to select in, and we have to click here. Here you can see that our code has been run successfully, and here we have to give a prompt as select all from student details, and we have to select it for seeing our tables. Here you can see that our new column has been created successfully, guys. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more.